Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Apa khabar? Lama tak jumpa. Long time no see. Before we start, there is a very good news. Now, you can enjoy a free 30-minute trial class to experience a Malay speaking class with me, Zarina. It is totally free, no string attached. To book for a free trial class, please go to linktree/ilearnmalay. See you in class. Let's start with our lesson today. This is part 1 of the series. In Malay, the common or basic word order is subject plus verb plus object, just like in English. We shall see a few examples to give you a better picture. The first one, saya ialah Zarina. Saya ialah Zarina. I am Zarina. Saya means I, ialah to be verb means am, and Zarina is me. A noun or in this case an object. However, the to be verb in Malay which is ialah or adalah is not commonly used in a conversation. Most of the time, we drop it when we speak. So, we say it as saya Zarina. Saya Zarina. Next example, awak makan kurma. Awak makan kurma. You eat date or dates. Awak means you, makan means to eat, and kurma is the date, the fruit. The subject, or in this case, a pronoun awak, could be replaced with another synonym, which is kamu. Next example, dia suka kek. Dia suka kek. She likes cake. Dia means she or he. Suka means to like, and cake is the cake. Next example, dia bayar bil. Dia bayar bil. He pays the bill. Dia means he or she. Bayar means to pay, and bil is the bill. Next example, kami tengok wayang. Kami tengok wayang. We watch the movie at the cinema. Kami means we, but this does not include the listener. Tengok means to watch, and wayang means movie in the cinema, not at home. And our last example is mereka main bola. Mereka main bola. They play football. Mereka means they, main means to play, and bola is the ball. Colloquially, we use dia orang or diorang to represent mereka. That wraps up our lesson for today. I hope that it is useful, and if you have any questions, write them in the comment section so I could try to answer them. Thank you for learning Malay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for those who haven't done so. Terima kasih banyak. Sampai jumpa lagi.